The last example is about presentations. So could an AI create presentations for me? I had a project and I needed to create a bunch of presentations quickly. So this was my big question. Can an AI do it? Because I would really love to be able to delegate it. And I found out, no, not yet. We're not there yet. So I changed my question. Could an AI assist me in creating presentations? Kind of thinking back to what I learned from some of those other experiences. So I started searching. My thought was, it's 2018. There's got to be something by now. And I needed to create a series of presentations really fast. So this is what I found. Beautiful, beautiful AI. This is an amazing tool. It frees me up to focus on my content, not dragging and dropping and formatting and changing font size and moving stuff on slides. It really changed the game for me compared to PowerPoint, which is what I used before. And I've created a ton of presentations in this tool. So let me just show you what it looks like. So it uses a web user interface. And in this case, so here's just my awesome example presentation. And this is what the editor looks like when you're creating a presentation and you're collaborating with the AI. So the AI knows the rules of good design, and it automatically adjusts things as you are updating the content. So you don't have to do it. And you can see how quickly you can change to different versions. So that was an example of statistics. You can very quickly pull together the framework of a presentation and just add placeholders. So you would tell it what kind of a slide you want. So I put in TBD and it gave me this placeholder slide. So maybe I want a placeholder for entering some awesome photos or statistics. You can see how quickly it adjusts font sizes and it sticks to design principles so that you can't create really ugly slides. It can search the web for royalty-free photos very fast. So here I wanted to insert pictures of things that are awesome, like puppies and robots. And then I wanted to add one more because I saw Unikitty, so we got to put that in there. Unikitty's awesome. So it's easy to learn because it's template based, and that's a concept that we're used to. This is the other one that's really interesting, is how quickly you can add logos just by searching for a company name, switch between icons and bullets in a flash. But you see, never am I dragging things around or changing font size. I'm really only focusing on what do I want to communicate. So this was a really game-changing tool for me. See how easily you can change font. And then this is what it looks like when you're presenting. So you don't have to ding around with animation or anything. It just does it for you. Wow. So that's Beautiful. And Beautiful is a great replacement for me for PowerPoint. I actually no longer create presentations in PowerPoint. So what I like about this has a very rapidly evolving feature set and interface. It's still in beta, but it's improving very quickly. It doesn't allow you to create ugly slides that are just full of text. It will cut you off and say, that's too much text. And then it forces your branding. So it keeps me consistent. What I don't like about it, well, it's beta. So beta, you always, there's some trade-offs. And it's cloud-based, so you can't create offline. So like if you're on a plane with a sketchy wireless connection, it's going to be harder to use something like this to create. Mm-hmm. And right now, it only works in a Chrome browser. So, if you're a big fan of other browsers, that's a trade-off. But to me, it was worth it to accelerate my work on presentation creation. And the outcome of this one, I'm still using it. In fact, I used it to create this presentation.